this week's up on top. So we're on a roof. And like I was saying, this is 100,000 square foot roof, which is pretty expensive. You get into the millions of dollars on claims like this. And this is the type of jobs we do at Peak Roofing. Obviously we do residential as well, but just look at behind me. It's almost like its own little city, this place. So if you need any comfort in our abilities to be able to take care of your business or your personal house, you don't really need to worry. We've got a huge crew over there. They're getting ready to put all the... Right now they're all just hanging out because they're getting ready. We got tons of product getting delivered and put on top of the roof today so they can rip off the outer membrane and start the install. But a lot of work goes into something like this. I mean, getting this from the beginning to the end, dealing with insurance was the biggest difficult part because they don't want to pay. I mean, I don't blame them. It's a lot of money, but they have to pay. And so when they tell us no, we keep arguing until they tell us yes. And look, they're delivering that piece right now. See that behind me? Slow and steady wins the race. This is what goes into 100,000 square foot building. It's down in Castle Rock. We've got 2 semis here with roofing materials, and there are 5 more coming. A lot of guys involved in this deal. But the adjuster on that one, she worked for Safeco, and she said that they're expecting more hail than we got last year. They're expecting more this year. Crazy. Thanks for watching.